explosion was so near. All this area was rocked, and our hospital too. Sisters and the nurses evacuate the patients. Suddenly, all the area came to take care of them in the emergency room. I cried loudly, but I heard a voice in my interior said, "I'm here. God is here. God will never leave you alone." The congregation built this hospital to help the people. Our convent is on the last floor of the building. If no convent, who take care of these poor people? When we finish our work, we are still on call till midnight with the nurses. They called us to the emergency room, to the radiology or operating room. Sometimes one is dying, so they call us to give him the ointment, because the presence of the sister is the presence of the God in their life. I never saw God walking in this earth, but I know that God is coming to us by our benefactors. That's why I would like to say to all the benefactors, and especially the church in need, help us to rebuild this convent, to stay here, not to leave the area and not to leave the poor people.